Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about our new topic is patch. Sorry, patch method. Okay, what exactly the patch method, and we'll see into here in the postman. Okay, the patch is nothing but which is a user you create, right? That user, if you want something update every time, that you can able to do it here. Okay, how many times you are going to updating, that many times it will reflect. Okay, there is no issue with that, but it will completely every time it will work with that. Okay, once you hit that particular one, this is my record we created in the last video session time. Okay, just we are going to paste it and we are going to update it. If you update, it will give 200, and this is the things it will provide. In case if you make it for inactive, then it will go for inactive mode. And how many times you are hitting, that many times it will update it. There is no issue. This is a demo application. That's what it will take for how many times you are going to do, that many times it will update it. Okay, in your case, maybe it will not allow you to update multiple times in the same record. Okay, but same record means we can able to update changing the naming convention. If you are use now I'm going to using the same one to updating every time. Sometimes the fields are what you can able to say mandatory to update changing the names. They are going to logics in real time, it will be changes happen. Okay, that moment. But before going to this all the things, in postman we have two methods. One is put and another one is patch. What exactly these two can do, that means put and patch. What exactly this one means, a put operation. If you use a put operation, any one record, which is the record you are going to check, right? For the record updating, you, in case if there is no field and you need to insert that particular record having a new field, that time you can able to update that field. Okay, you can able to update even existing also you can update, and also you can able to insert a new record into that particular location. Both the cases you can able to do it. Okay, patch is you can only update specific record. Okay, specific record, you can't able to update for new record. Like any new record you can't able to update from the db. You can existing record, any one existing record you can able to update it. Okay, in case if there is no record but you want to update it means you can't able to, but put operation you can able to do it for that. This is the two difference. Even you can able to get it for some interview question also related to put and patch, what exactly this difference. Okay, and then we can able to come to our automation scripting location. Okay, I'm copying this entire code. Okay, I'm going to create one file that is called patch test underscore patch. Okay, in the patch I'm going to paste it. Okay, not required, I'm not going to updating for the names and all, but I'm going to do it for only the same record. How many times it is coming, that many times I want to update it. Just I'll update for the record. Okay, then I'm not going to, just I'm going to deleting that particular one, and I'll delete here also. Just I'll get the file and I'll update it here. Okay, everything is same, but here is the post method, but I'm going to take for patch because I don't have a put operation. That's why I'm not going to paste it. And here I'm going to take for this particular record. I'm going to take it and I'm pasting here. See, in the last of the record, I'm going to pasting here. Okay, I'm barrier token and everything is same, and I need to make it for 200. Okay, just I'm going to saving this one, and we can able to update this particular one. How many times you want, that many times we can able to update it. Even we can able to get the response body, and we can able to paste it. Response body, we can able to print response body whether it is updated proper record or not. Okay, for this what you can able to do it, pytest -v-es and space, I'm going to use it for play my folder and test underscore patch dot py. Patch file or directory not found. File or directory. Which directory it is not able to find it. Data is there and everything is presented. Okay, name is wrong. Now see, the record is updated here. Which record we have, that record is updated. Okay, you can able to see all the data. How many times you run, that many times it will goes and pass it. Okay, there is no without any issue, it will pass it. There's a one kind of patch updation. Okay, remember it in interview question perspective. In case if they are ask you what is the difference between put and patch, then you need to insert that. Like a put operation, if there is a new record you want to insert from the DB, we can able to do it, and also existing record also we can able to update it. The patch is only which is the already existing record is presented from the DB. That particular record we can able to update it. Other than that, we can't able to do it. Okay, this is a different. You have to remember it. And also, you just here is a patch. You need to change it. Okay, in case if you have keep on changing values, which is the random value I showed you right in the previous video, email this particular random value generation, just use it and change the value which value you want to change it and update it. Okay, then it will update into from the DB. You can easily verify it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.